Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy, and wow, I've got some happy mail. It arrived this morning, and I can see already on the envelope that it is from Linda Fairbrother. So there's a few bits and pieces in there that's intriguing. So wow, I can't believe it. Thank you very much. She is well, so good to me. You may remember that Linda was the one who sent me the cup that I use, the Crochet Rocks mug, and she made me a scarf. She also sent me a little bag that was for crochet hooks, but I keep various things in there. Oh wow, hang on, what's this? Oh, so I got some chocolates. Wow. Whittaker's mint assortment. Ooh, thank you very much. I'm going to enjoy those. I will definitely enjoy those. Got a lovely card. So let's have a look. It feels like a lovely card. Okay. There's lots of writing. I won't embarrass her by reading her message. Oh, can't get it out. Oh, bless you. So it says, thinking of you, and there is, hope you have a speedy recovery and best wishes from Linda. And then there's a note inside, which I'll read afterwards when I'm off camera. There's more. Oh, bless her. She sent me a little angel. I'm sure she sent me an angel before, but I've got another one. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? She hangs here, look. Oh, you might not see it, but she hangs on here, so I've got another one. Thank you. Oh, I do. I love it. I've got the other one right there, and I shall put them together. Isn't that lovely? Thank you very much. So sweet. Really, really sweet. And I've got a little fridge magnet. Gary said to me yesterday, I might start to collect fridge magnets. I went, why? He said, because I like them. So I've got a couple of fridge magnets. A hug is a great gift. One size fits all. I might not be able to read this one. Friends like you don't grow on trees. I know that. This is true. But if friends were flowers, there is no doubt how quickly I'd pick you. Ah, that's nice. It's just very difficult for me to read because I haven't got the light. But I do love a fridge magnet. I've got quite a few from all over the place. Oh, what's this? Dad's joke set. Fabulous. Thank you. Oh, so my book, when it comes to an end, I have some jokes for you. That's brilliant. Thank you very much. And there's more. My goodness. I've got a couple of things in tissue paper. Oh, you're so good to me. Linda, really. Oh, my word. Look at that. A scarf. Oh, bless you. You know, I was hiding my scarf. It's got a T on it, look. Oh, isn't that lovely? That's really lovely. Thank you very much. So, you know, when I go out, sometimes I want to hide my scarf. Do kind of pull up my coat, and isn't that lovely? Thank you so much. Oh my God. And I'm just making sure there's nothing else in there. There's this one. Bless you. Oh, that is lovely. Look at that sparkles. I like a bit of sparkle, you know. Oh wow, it's like Christmas. Oh, what is this? It made me something else. Another little scarf. Oh, sweetheart. Thank you so much. There we go. I've got a nice burgundy one. She made me a blue one before, and she sent me the thing so I know what it's got in it and how to wash it. It's by King Cole. Thank you. Oh, I do love it. Thank you. It's so sweet of you. You're just so good to me. Thank you so much. I'm really excited. And oh wow, totally blown away. I absolutely love everything, and I'm going to make sure I've got more jokes. Isn't that brilliant? More jokes to read to you all. And I love my little guardian angel on my little... I can't read that. It's too faint for me to read, and it's in cursive. So I'd need light, a lot of light, to be able to read you that. But it is a lovely little keepsake card, and I do love it. Thank you very much. And I'm going to get stuck into these. I'm sure Gary will help. I'm sure he will. So thank you. You are absolutely too good to me. You really are. I appreciate this and everything you've ever sent me. Wow. I mean, all I really ask of everyone is that you watch my content and you watch those pesky little ads, and, you know, that you comment and that you're there. But, you know, Linda, you do go above and beyond, and I really do appreciate it. And I love everything that you sent me. And, well, thank you. Thank you so, so much. Mwah. Wow. I'm kind of, I won't say speechless, but I'm obviously chatting, so it's a bit difficult to say that. But you know what I mean. Lost for some words. Blown away. Thank you very much. See you on the next one, guys. I'm all bashful now. Look at